beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swenson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon, and today we're going to talk about Campaign 7. And look on the front of it, it's our Dual Elixir, 3 times more powerful than a serum alone. And I have been telling you about this one, and I can keep telling you because I love it. This morning I didn't take time for my hand lotion, but I was testing it out again, and because it's great. You get the serum and the oils in 2 different spurts, and I hadn't tried this, but when I did it on, I had some left over, of course, and so I put it on around my nail area. My nails, it was like an instant manicure. So that's another use for it, to make your hands look wonderful. Because I always say, make sure your hands look as good as your face. So when you're doing your skincare, remember to do your face on an upward-outward motion, your neck, and how I do the neck is put some on the back of my hand, smash it, and then do this kind of thing. And so then you don't get that turkey neck. So that really shows your age. And then remember to do a little bit on your decollage. Introductories for $34.99, and it's a great one to pair with our other new products. We have the Ultimate Supreme, which also has the black pearl in it. This does too. That's great for night. So you'd put this on and then that for nighttime. So here that is. And that's also on sale for $34.99. In the daytime, you put this on and then your daytime moisturizer. I use the Ultimate Day, and so this, then the Ultimate Day. And yes, great things. One of the things I have to tell you about is our makeup brushes and our little sponges are on sale. And I did a little trial on myself, because I had a customer that had all these little like dot kind of things down here and just like right around here. And it's like, I don't know what was causing it. And so I thought, well, maybe it's because she doesn't clean her makeup brushes enough. And so I did not clean mine for almost 2 months. I haven't cleaned mine since Christmas. And I started getting them. So guess what I did this weekend? I cleaned my makeup brushes, and so now I know the reason. It's very important to clean your makeup brushes and your sponges. And how I do that is with our bubbles. Any of the regular bubbles, not the vanilla one because it has the cream in it, but any of the other bubbles, put a little bit of just a dot of that in with your water, and like this, you put it in, squish it so it soaks up the water, and keep doing it until it goes clean. And same with the brushes. You squish them in that water until they go clean. And you might have to, if you haven't cleaned them that long, I had to change my water 3 times. So yes, clean your makeup brushes so that you don't get that buildup on your face. And so definitely I need to do some a little exfoliation. And so that Resurfacing Expert will be a great one to be used right now to get some of that off, because I didn't use that during that time frame either, because I wanted to see what it was that was causing it. Moisture Therapy line, awesome line, where these lotions are. I mix and match a bunch of them. 2 for $9, and they're normally $10 each. Oh, bubbles. They're on sale 2 for $11. That's only $5.50 each for this much. And there's so many uses for bubbles other than bubbles. So if you want to know more, let me know. One of the things that also the Skin So Soft line has all kinds of things that are on sale. They're buy one, get one. And this one, as you notice, I don't have a whole lot of it left. But I have it next to my sink. So when I get during the middle of the night, I'm germaphobe. I wash all the time. And so if I don't want to make a lot of noise during the night and I want to wash my hands, I use this. And as you can tell, I have used it a lot. And it's one that it's just a foam. And so it's a great way to clean. And it doesn't have all that alcohol feel in it. I rode with a friend last night and used her hand sanitizer that she had in her vehicle, and my hands burned from the alcohol in it. This one, they will not, so keep them a little bit more moisturized. And look at this kind of fun thing for kids. It's not going to be just for kids. I think I'm going to have to try it too. It's called Tangle Wrangle. It's in the kids line, and it's a leave-in conditioner and detangler spray, and it's Very Berry is the fragrance, and there's no parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no alcohols, no dyes. So it's good stuff in it, and it's just like all the other ones. This one also has a fun little poem. It says, "Knots and tangles go away, combing easy with this spray. Hair starts out messy and frightful, soon it's tame, smooth, and delightful." And they are introductory for $5.99. And we also have these fun combs, and they are $1.99. But if you get both, the Tangler and this, you get them both for $6.99. And I want to tell you, if you have curls like mine, I have lots of curls, these kind of combs are fantastic to use. I use mine I don't use a brush regularly. When I wash my hair, I use one of these as I'm shampooing, and then, or if I'm just doing the rinse that day, and then I don't use a comb after that, or a brush. If you use a brush on this kind of curls, it's gonna go. So yeah. Traveling, people are starting to think about traveling more, and some of our little, the creamy body washes and the lotions in this size are on sale for $2. They're a great size for traveling, and can use it in your carry-ons. And I am getting wonderful results and feedback from my customers about our Crave lip glosses. If you have not tried them, I have them on right now. They have that vitamin E in it, and with our coldness, our faces when we go outside, that's one part that's not getting covered, and so they're drying out faster. This helps keep that moisture in. So yes. And the Ultra Luxury liners, ones with a pencil that's sharpened, they brought them back. Lips, eyes, and brows, $1.99. And today is the 28th of February, my daughter's birthday. And if you believe this, I was her age when I started doing Avon full time. And yeah, I'll be an Avon lady for quite a few years now. And I'm getting to celebrate a big one pretty soon. Dazzle Drops. They're on sale in this catalog, and there is all kinds of things that you can see, and they just have a dropper. You can use them for. You can put them on with your moisturizer. You can wear them alone. You can wear them with your foundation. So all kinds of different ways. I have a list of all kinds of things that how you can use Dazzle Drops if you want that. Something that's not advertised in the book yet is our Flourish Honey Blossom fragrance. And it's kind of fun. On this side, you have the pretty fragrance, but if you turn it around, it has, isn't that gorgeous? And if you notice the top of it, there's like little flower petals around the edges of that. And if you're wanting to try this, it's like a solar floral kind of a scent, and I have that on today. If you want this before it even makes the catalog, if you order from my e-store and you use a coupon code called Flourish, all caps, FLOURISH, you can get it for $15.99. So that's a great buy. And all kinds of fun jewelry. Easter's coming up, so we have towards the back of this catalog, we have all kinds of jewelry and things for Easter. We have cross necklaces that are in all the birthstone colors, and they're like $9.99. And this fun pearl necklace, and it has like a bow at the top of it, and it's gold tone, and it has the extender on it too. And they are, I think, $7.99. And then charm. If you're into the charms, I like the charms. We have some really cool ones. This time we have lots of them, but they're mix and match, 3 for $10. And here is the calla lily, and just a regular pearl. And this one is crosses on it. It's kind of fun. So yeah, I like to adding to my collection of charms. And then these, I am totally blown away by these. These are normally going to be $12.99, but they're one of our kind of like wow products. They come in like 4 different colors. I got the clear ones, and the cut on this one, the way they cut the CZ is just fantastic, and it's the lever back, so it has the lever back action on it. And guess what? $5.99. I just think that was like wow. And we're getting little girls jewelry, which I love, and so we have the short. It's a shorter chain, so and this one is a little rabbit, and it has a little pearl for its tail. So yeah, and they're only $4.99. We have a bunch of fun stuff like that for $4.99. Oh, and this bracelet I have on, and it's, see how it kind of slips on and off, and it's in the Mark line. And we have fun earrings you can also get to go with it. And they are a little heavier than most, but compared to what I thought they would be, they're not near as heavy. So I thought that was kind of cool. And Avon is a big supporter of the domestic violence hotline. And when you buy this, it has a wing and the pearl and then the amethyst stone on it. And it says strength. Angels provide hope and happiness. Amethyst encourages balance and peace. Rock crystal provides clarity of mind. And it comes in this cool little box that has peace and strong and love and caring and wise and all kinds of cool little sayings on that. But that comes is part of that. And that's in our domestic violence section. Another wow product is our Clinical Eyelid Pro. This has arginine in it. I take that for circulation because of my DVTs, but it also is in this, which promotes circulation, so that your upper eyelid and that has a circulation it needs to uplift. $14.99. It was on sale in campaign 6 as well as in campaign 7. And Aspira, almost all kinds of stuff is on sale. This one is not, but I love these power drinks. I make healthy shakes every morning, and we have all kinds of our stuff on sale in the Aspira line, as well as all the vitamins and stuff. So check those out. And I have been using Clarity because I've been working on that over. And notice it burns like really even, and when it gets down to the bottom, it burns to almost nothing. So I'm starting to stay clear. And we have the fun little things for, see it lights up. It's kind of bright in here so you can see it. And it changes color, that Easter egg. They're like $12.99. And they're just so plush and soft. This little guy is, yeah. And, oh, these earrings I have on, they are in the, let's see if I can this one, in the outlet catalog. And these are while supplies last and not returnable, but make sure you do check them out. And then this is something that is on my e-store. So I don't send these to everybody, but this little flyer is called Ease into Spring. It has all kinds of fun new clothes in it. It has these walking shoes. Very comfy. It has the cushion walk in it, $24.99. This shirt that I have on, it says I need vitamin, and can you see where it says? There it says C. I need vitamin C because I want to go to the beach. So yes, that's in this, like I said, it's in this fun little catalog. Another thing that's in there are these leggings, and what's this fun little side, it's on both legs, and it has a nice thicker band on the top. So do check that out. That's kind of it for today. I think I've showed you everything. So thanks much for watching. Remember, we're ordering out of campaign 7. Oh, and if you order from my e-store and just want this, if you use the coupon code Elixir, FS standing for free shipping, you can buy just the Elixir and have it shipped for free. But you can use it also with any of the other ones too, and add stuff onto it. So yes, do get this for $34.99 when you do that. But if you don't use the coupon code, you do not get that special. price if you order it now, because you can even order it right now before even campaign 7 comes online. And then we can always back order from 5 and 6. So thanks much for watching. Have a great day. From the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota, Faye Swenson, Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter. Thanks.